So this is the daily chart of SAU USD, and I have shared this perspective before. I shared this perspective yesterday on FS Street. So what I see technically from the structure on daily is it's just a normal thing which has, I need to share. Now we have a supply roof here in the month of July, starting from April. This is the supply roof. We have to change the color. We have shared this video before, so you can go watch our previous post and to see everything clearly. This is the rally, right? Market was range bound in the month of April, and we finally kept respecting the floor and the roof, the floor and the roof, the floor and the roof, and the market created a W structure, which is a bullish price action after the W structure. Then finally, it was time for price movement. Market had left, broke the neckline, they tested it, and then sold it. So when price broke out from the bullish consolidating channel, we retested it one, retested it two. So ladies and gentlemen, this becomes a potential sell zone and a potential buy zone in the future. This black roof in the future, you want to see price come back here. You want to see a retest into this zone. So everybody must have this structure. Everybody must have this structure and keep it because price will come back to the justice. So don't forget it's a daily trap. You can see the structure on daily. Now, when we further hold the structure, we see an ascending trend line touching the roof as price keep extending. In the rally in this bullish channel, bullish consolidation, you see there is a move, an ascending trend following the price, which is this. Now, while price broke out from the rectangular bullish channel, it broke out from the roof, but at the same time, it was hindered multiple times by an ascending trend line, which is this is the ascending trend line. You can see this is the roof, this is the roof, this is the roof, this is the roof that keep holding price. Now price broke out again from that roof. This is the breakout. And why is this important to us is we need to see what this roof has done. And when price came back, it broke the structure, but it retested it. This is a daily retest. You can see it here. So let's put a vertical line on it. Just leave, you can see a retest, a bearish candle rejected on daily. Then shortly after that, price came down to area of demand, where we have liquidity sweep and bought up, broke the structure again. But this time when it returned, it respected this structure. What structure did it respect? This previous supply roof. This previous supply roof. It now came back to respect it. Look at it. The previous supply roof becomes a demand floor. It played with it. Then when it returned back, it respected the structure. It respected it. It held price firmly until break of a demand floor and price retest and sold off. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when we returned, we respected that structure once sold. We returned yesterday and still respected the structure again. So it's something to watch that good buying should be able to break that structure. The return price into the buying phase. You can see this is a buying structure. So price needs to return to this level in order to be able to buy. If price returns to this level, then it will be an upswing. So price must return to that structure. Whatever buyers are doing, they must be able to break out from this daily trend line and return to the buying phase. Look at what price. return here, when they return to this place, they got, they return here, they got, they return here, is a new high. So technically, even when they broke and returned to this structure, it was also a buy. So what we want to see is a situation whereby they break out from this supply room, and with this time today they are going to test. They are said to be in the hands of 2668. So 2668 will be testing. If they manage to break it, then to be an opportunity for them to go high. So awaiting fundamental today to see what happens. So today's fundamental will really be a make or break situation. But we don't know what is going to bring. Nobody knows. So let's look at it from the structure of the market so we can see what exactly has happened. Now, when you look at the structure again, you will notice something that gold has broken out from a descending trend line. That descending trend line, you can see the descending trend line, our all-time high being connected to 2621, 2721. Then we had a breakout on that sell-off when price came. Price broke the structure and we tested it and came back again, broke the structure and respected it again. When price came to this structure, it respected it and sold, and finally broke the structure and returned to retest it. This was the retest candle on Monday 6th and it's upswing. So what we see here that will happen is that now we have another structure on daily. The daily supply roof, respected supply roof, breakout, and this is the retest. We're looking at the structure and its strength. Now price came back to retest this structure. A breakup from this structure. This is a supply roof. And when price came down to this structure, in fact, this very candle movement disrespected everybody, disrespected the structure again. And when it returned, it respected its head price firmly. It's a supply roof. It broke the structure. When it returned, it held it as a demand floor. It held it as a demand floor in November 16 before break of structure. After breaking the structure, when price returned, it held price again all through Thursday, all through Friday, it held the price before break of structure on January 2 2025. When that structure was broken, price returned its head price. It respected the structure, broken supply roof becomes a demand floor. And that was the foundation that gave birth to Tuesday 7th buy. Now, seventh buy met a daily supply roof, which is a long-term ascending trend line. You can see it, which buyers have been unable to cross. So that was why we have over 60% retracement of yesterday buy. Most likely, price will go up to fill that gap. Price will likely go back to test this line again. So on a favorable fundamental analysis, what we see here happening is that this structure will go up and break the structure, most likely later. On the second thought, this demand floor will be tested, where we look at to test the floor again, that is the descending trend line breakout in the zone of 2600. This is on the line. So what we see today happening is with the fundamental, we have two case scenarios. A breakout from this structure. The first is going to be an outright breakout. It's going to be an outright breakout. You might not get a retest. You just break out and break. So it depends on how favorable it is. Or we get a return back into this level. I do not see this as something that is going to happen. But the market is showing a strong bullish presence after being defended by two descending trend lines. Two descending trend lines. The first descending trend line here is very strong rejection. You can see it. Look at it here. So what we think that will happen here is that the market will have to wait for the fundamental for it to decide what needs to do. So nobody can tell the outcome. That is why you see movement. The price is very slow. So I I think we go with the bullish. We want a retest into 26, into 665. We want a retest into that one. We want a retest. We want a retest into that one. After looking at the candle, you looked at it again on 2 hours. You looked at it on 1 hour. You will see a clean, you see a clean breakout and retest. And that was why the selling yesterday was rejected at some point. So at 43 level, 2643, selling was rejected and the made market close above the month floor. So for the market to close above the month floor is an indication of liquidity from market being a hazard. So what we see technically is that as the news comes up, SAU might react. Yes, SAU might likely react to that news. So the reaction is completely unpredictable. So this makes the whole analysis invalid because you cannot tell the outcome of the fundamental analysis. That is what makes trading tricky. So you can keep off, but if you ask me what you want, I think you have a breakout for the descending trend line, and the next in line you want to see here is this trend is another trend. Yes, so if you have a bullish breakout will have to contend with this move. So two things you can keep off. Fundamental analysis is completely unpredictable. Yesterday's CPI data from Australian dollar wasn't really bad, but Euro AED went into buying and Euro surged against Australian dollar. But just for it to meet a resistance by close of the hour candle and started retracing. So here now we have a clean symmetrical triangle with the structure we have here. So it's a clean symmetrical triangle. You can see it here. So now this might be the new plane where price is having a bottom, three bottom, two roof. So these are two symmetrical triangles in our plane. So we expect a breakout. So even if price managed to break out from this ascending trend, it will also have to contend with the roof connecting the current all-time high and the roof connecting our last week, 2026, 2027. So this is what we see for us. It's it's just what it is.